In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files on Gumroad. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to take a digital product from an idea on your computer and turn it into a downloadable or streamable product that your customers can access. First, open your browser and go to your Gumroad dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your creator tools. The dashboard is your main control center, where you'll manage products, customers, and sales. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the products section and click on it. This is where all of your existing products live, and it's also where you'll create new ones. To start a fresh product, click on the button labeled New Product. This begins the setup process for whatever digital item you want to sell or share. Now, type in the name of your digital product. Choose a clear, descriptive title that tells buyers exactly what they're getting, like Productivity Planner PDF or Beginner Guitar Course. Right after that, select the type of product you're creating. Gumroad lets you categorize it, for example, as a digital product, course, or other type, which helps organize how the content is delivered. Next, enter the price. You can set a fixed price, or if you prefer, you can later adjust it or use pay what you want pricing, depending on how you want to sell. Think about the value of your product and what feels fair both for you and your audience. When you're done with these basics, scroll to the top right of the page and click on Next, Customize. This takes you into the product editor where you can work on the content itself. From here, click on the Content tab. This is the key area where you'll actually upload your files and media. In the Content Editor toolbar, look for the upload icon next to the hyperlink icon and click it. A menu will appear with several options for how you want to add your content. If your files are stored locally on your device, choose Computer Files to upload directly from your computer. Simply select the file or files you want your customers to receive. If you want to add media like YouTube videos or images, click on Embed Media. You'll see options to either paste an embed link, such as a video URL, or upload files similar to regular file uploads. This is useful for mixing downloadable files with streamed content. You can also choose Dropbox files if your content is stored in Dropbox. When you select this, Gumroad will open a login window so you can connect to your Dropbox and import files directly. Once you've added your content using the method that suits you best, your files are now attached to your Gumroad product and ready for your